Hello members, this is our final year project, and in this project we are using the future technology also known as algorithm based trading plus machine learning. In this project we are the group of 4 members. Our group name is group 5. My name is Manish Kumar Sinha. My teammates names are as follow: Harsh Jain, Anirudh Jain and Shivam Namdev. In this project we have been using the concept of algorithm in stock market. In our project, we have been using the famous chart reading platform known as TradingView. In the TradingView, we have been using the PineScript, a programming platform, which is the TradingView integrated platform, where we have been design our own research-based algorithm, which is going to help any intermediate slash long-term investor to invest his or her money in stock market. And in this video I am also going to show this algorithm profitability. This is our algorithm which we have been working from last 1 to 2 years in this algorithm. This is a PineScript which is going to use the Python algorithm for that purpose. This is the PineScripted algorithm. In this PineScripted algorithm is used in PineEditor. This is our algorithm. Currently, without using our algorithm, if you see this chart, okay, if you see this chart, you get confused by seeing this multiple red or green candle. Okay, you don't even in this whole chart and in anywhere you don't get any of the buying or selling signal. But being a stock market person, the best thing you need is a buying or selling signal. Okay, so for that purpose, we have designed this algorithm. Okay, so let me represent the working of the algorithm. This algorithm which we have made is based on SMA, which is known as simple moving average, which depend upon the concept of moving average, which we all have studied in our early stages in math. And the concept is that, see, this is the candle 1, 2, 3. We are going to calculate the average of 50 candle. We are going to calculate the average of 50 candle. Depending upon the average of 50 candle, we are going to predict the price of next move. So on basis of this simple moving average concept, we have designed this algorithm. For candle, every single candle, take the example of this candle, every single candle have 4 components: the opening price, the closing price, the high, the low of the candle. So we have mentioned here, okay, SMA, closing, high, low and the length of the candle. Okay, so let's see the probability. At the end, the whole stock market is the game of probability. So let's see the probability that how much this algorithm which is designed by me and my team is profitable to any of the person. So let's see the algorithm. First of all, we need to add this algorithm to our chart. For that purpose, we just need to add to chart. Okay. After adding the chart, guys, here you can see that my name is Manish Sinha and this algorithm is added. In early stage of the video, as I can show that in anywhere we don't get any signal. But now, guys, you can see that here we are having buying signal. Here we are having selling signal. Okay, here we are having selling signal. Again here having the selling signal, again the buying signal. Now a beginner in stock market can also see this buying and selling signal. Depending upon that, he or she can buying or sell the stock. Now the main question arises, is this setup a profitable setup? Is this algorithm a profitable algorithm or a loss making algorithm? After going to strategy tester and overall overview of this strategy, we can see that it is the probability of 60%, guys. The probability of 60% is very much. The members, you can see that our winning probability of this algorithm is more than 60%. And in Indian stock market, if our winning probability is only 44%, no, then only we are profitable. But using this algorithm, a simple trader can make his winning probability to 60%. Okay, and if we changes the time, this is for intraday. Okay, if we changes the time to 1 day for any professional, this strategy profitability increases to 61.54%, which is very large in number. Okay, we can also see the performance summary. If we use this strategy, we can earn 16% return, and our winning probability is 16,000, in which buying trades are 9,000 and selling trades are 7,000. Okay, and we can also see the list of the trade which our algorithm has generated. Here we can see the list of the trade till from 1990 to 2021. Okay, till 2020. Okay, till almost till 2021, we can see the all buying and selling possibilities of this trade. We can see the all buying and selling possibilities of this trade, and here we can see the profit. Okay, here we can see that the how much profit we can generate. Here you can see 10% profit. Sometimes the bigger loss in market fall, we have made a 20% loss also in COVID time. But many a time we had made a good percent wise profit, and the profit percentage is very high, guys. Okay, now this is the example of one algorithm which is based on the moving average. Here are more than ample of algorithm which we can generate depending upon our future research. For that purpose, we have created our algo trading website where our user can get the update of any of the algorithm which we have launched, and they can buying this algorithm for their trading setup. This is our algo trading website. Here anyone can click on the login and login himself using the Google ID. For an example, I am login using my Google ID. Okay, after login, okay, sorry, first of all I have to register myself. First of all, here is the registration button. I have to register myself. Clicking upon the sign up button using my registered new Gmail account. Here our account has been registered. Okay, after registering, now I can see that the multiple cart. Now I can see that in Amazon, no, as we have see the multiple product. Same in this website. Here user can see the multiple websites, multiple product in algo trading, and this the price. For an example, here is the SMA of HDFC Bank, and here is the live trading view chart. Live price user can see, and if he want to buying, for an example, RSI strategy, he or she just have to click the execute button. Here, just a minute, the chart has been loading. After sign up, we can see the multiple buying algorithm options. User, depending upon his or her expect, can buying any of this algorithm for buying purpose. He or she, for an example, if we see the SMA strategy, this is the first of all these all charts are real. These all charts are live. Depending upon the live stock market update, this all chart can change. If he or she want to buying, he just have to click on execute button. Here he or she can read the complete data and just click on I am interested button. After clicking on I am interested button, our team is going to contact them. In our database, we have been collected his or her email ID. This is our algorithm research based project where we have researched the multiple stock market algorithm where any of the stock market person can use algorithm to increase his or her chance of profitability. Okay, this is our final year project. My name is Manish Kumar Sinha. My teammate name is Harsh Jain, Anirudh Jain, and Shivam Namdev. Thank you so much, members.